In this video, we will go over the case statement. The case statement goes through conditions and returns a value when the first condition is met, operating similar to an if-then-else statement. The case statement can be used in select queries along with where, order by, and group by clauses. It could also be used in the insert statement. So the basic syntax to have a case statement is case, when condition, then your result, else your result, end. So you can have one or many when or then results depending on how many conditions you need to check for. So let's go over a couple examples how to use a case statement. We're going to start with this basic query for color. And what we're going to do is create a short name for the color. So instead of having the full name for the color show out, we're going to shorten the name. So we're going to start out with case color. And then we're going to choose a couple colors. We're going to add when. Pick black as the first color. And then we'll show black as B. And when. And we're going to pick silver as the next color. And then S. And else we're going to put O for other color. And you end your statement. And normally you want to give an alias for your column. So we'll call this color short. And we'll add color just for reference. And let's order by color short. And execute. And now we have all B's for when the color is black. And we scroll down and we have some other colors, blue and yellow, and they turn back as other because we didn't check for them. And let's keep scrolling. And finally we have S for silver. Now let's say we wanted to get rid of these nulls here. It's not really a color, so we don't want nulls to show up as another color. So for that, you need to change up your case statement a little bit. Instead of writing case color, you're going to just write case. And instead, you're going to add color into each line. So you have color equal to black. And then color equal to silver. And then when we're going to add in our statement for null. So when color is null, then we're going to put NA, not applicable, not a color. And everything else stays the same. So it's a little bit different when you're trying to get rid of nulls. So press execute. We get the same B for black, but when we get to null, we have NA. It's not a color. And that is your basic syntax to write case statement with and without nulls.